Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shuaib bin Muhammad Salim. My number metric is 11724446. InsyaAllah today I would like to present about biography of Sheikh Daud bin Abdullah Al-Fatani. Sheikh Daud's full name is Sheikh Wan Daud bin Sheikh Wan Abdullah bin Sheikh Wan Idris or Tok Wan Derasik or Sheikh Senik bin Tok Wan Abu Bakar. He's known as Tok Sheikh Fatani. For place of birth, Sheikh Daud was born at 1720 Masihi in Kampung Kerisik, Patani. For date of death, Sheikh Daud died at 1879 Masihi. And then for Sheikh Daud Al-Fatani's educational background, Sheikh Daud Al-Fatani started his basic education within his own family from both his father, Sheikh Wan Abdullah, and grandfather Sheikh Wan Idris were great scholars. He also studied at various pondoks in Patani, for example, Pondok Kuala Bekah, Pondok Kerisik, Pondok Samla, and Pondok Pahubuk. Some of the scholars in these pondoks came from the Middle East and Yemen. Sheikh Daud Al-Fatani was also expert in hadith, while he has a sanad in hadith connected to Al-Barawi and prominent scholars such as Abdullah Al-Basari. He was known in the field of hadith, Sharia theology and Sufism. For Sheikh Daud Al-Fatani's teachers, for example, Al-Sheikh Muhammad Zain from Aceh, Al-Sheikh Muhammad Salih bin Abdul Rahman Al-Fatani, Al-Sayyid Sulaiman, Al-Sheikh Muhammad Nafis, Al-Sheikh Abdul Samad, and so on. Okay, we look at to the role of Sheikh Daud bin Abdullah Al-Fatani in his writing of Munyatul Musalli. Firstly, book Munyatul Musalli is means the aspiration or ambitions or dreams of people who pray. Also, every person, for those who prayers, that will surely need knowledge in this book. Besides that, the book Munyatul Musalli completing the Masail Al-Durar wa Al-Lail is a well-known book among the Muslim community in the archipelago. Even though it is small book compared to many other books atau by Sheikh Daud Al-Fatani, but it is benefit widespread over time and time. It is no exaggeration to say that Sheikh Daud Al-Fatani was one of the scholars who shaped the direction of the Malaysian Muslim community and the archipelago India religious practice. Lastly, his writings on the issue of prayer are based on his views in line with the Shafi'i's view. Moreover, he does not discuss issue that require long debate to make the book easy to understand. This shows us that at the beginning of his writing, where he has emphasized the benefits and the role of prayer in the construction of identity Muslim. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ali bin Sharif, and I will continue to present from my friend, which is previously presented about biography of Sheikh Daud Al-Fatani, and I will continue in the method of writing in the book Munyatul Musalli. Okay. Firstly, Sheikh Daud is a great and experienced scholar with whom he is capable to produce a great, concise and compelling book, finally into a book that is used as a basic syllabus in learning regarding prayer. But not all of the arguments regarding prayer is contained in this book. Only what he sees as important is only included in this book to make it book simple and complete. Simple, easy to write writing method as a book that is easy to learn. The only obstacle is immersing in the use of the old Javanese language is a little difficult to understand about the content of Munyatul Musalli. And then the book was originally written in classical Malay language, which is writing at that time of Sheikh Daud Al-Fatani. Therefore, it is a bit difficult for most readers to understand unless they are directly involved in the study of classical Javanese scriptures. translators, which is known as compilers, are among the many of Muslims in Malaysia who get benefit from the book, whether through the study or teaching. The experience of teaching of the book to the public spark as an inspiration to make some notes to some of its contents to help further to understand about the book. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Ruzaini bin Muhammad Adnan. My metric number 1172449. I will present about the impacts and contribution of Sheikh Daud Al-Fatani as well as conclusion. So Sheikh Daud Al-Fatani work has been used as reference in spreading dakwah throughout world, especially in Malay world. It was through his disciples who came from all over the archipelago to deepen religious knowledge in Mecca and Madinah. Among his famous students are Sheikh Ismail Minangkabau, Sheikh Khatib Sambas, Raja Ali Haji Riau. So the books that we study, which is Munyatul Musalli, is a proof to the greatness of knowledge of Sheikh Daud. The in-depth summary and elaboration of the chapter on prayer and organized in a way makes it easy for people to learn it. The book is also a book of the most copied before. It was published and the book of the most widely used in Malay world. The explanation and its conclusion makes it easy to learn and understand. Clearly, since the region adhered to the Shafi'i school of this, it is not surprising book of Munyatul Musalli and other books of fiqh by Sheikh Daud earn a place among the Malay community in the region. Next, based on stories, background and education, Sheikh Daud Al-Fatani, the writer, shares some of the contribution of Sheikh Daud Al-Fatani in his life. First, contribution in the field of writing. The greatest contribution of Sheikh Daud in his day was in the field of writing. Sheikh Daud has performed with large number of his works in various forms, the disciplines of Islamic recitation. Second, contribution in the field of education. Besides writing, Sheikh Daud Fatani also made a contribution in the field of education through his role as educator and preacher. During his life, he has been given respect to become one of teaching staff who are given the mandate to teach at the Al-Haram Mosque, which is Makkah. So next, I share to you about the criticism of Islamic scholars to Munyatul Musalli. There are some criticism of the book of Munyatul Musalli, especially on the status of the hadith in the book. A study written by Ahmad Sanusi, 2008, which is from USIM, on the status of hadith in the book of Munyatul Musalli, he stated that there is hadith mawdu' in Munyah. The discussion is about the phrase 10 virtues, because in hadith that narrated by Imam Muslim, it is written only in response to virtue without mentioning word 10. This hadith categorized as mawdu' by Al-Hafiz Ibn Hajar in his book Matalib Al-Aliyah Bizawaid Al-Masanid Al-Thamaniyah. So the conclusion is, due to his great contribution of spreading Islam in the Malay archipelago, Sheikh Daud Al-Fatani could be recognized as important person for human development to Malay community. Besides, he also produced a lot of books and manuscripts. So the works of scholars in various disciplines still have influence on environmental education Malay continuously as textbook. At the same time, their works are a reference to scholars and a study material for students studying at the university level, whether local or overseas. Thus, this is also to revive the Malay Islamic heritage and Jawi heritage, which is very precious, so that all the useful knowledge therein can be used in both the present generation as well as for the future generation. That's all from me. Thank you.